Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
How are you?
I am fine. And you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine too. What's your name?
My name is Tahmid.
Tahmid. Tahmid, where is your home?
My home Gabura.
Gabura. Okay, very good. What is your father's name?
My father name is Harun Rashid.
MashaAllah. And what is your father?
My father is service holder.
And what is your mother?
My mother is Ummikar.
Oh my God, good. And how many brother and sister do you have?
One brother, no sister.
One brother, no sister. So you are two brothers.
Yes,
Very nice. And which class do you study?
I reading class 1.
What is the dua for entering to the masjid?
Allahumma ftah li abwaaba rahmatik.
Rahmatik. Okay. When you enter to the masjid, which leg do you enter first?
Right leg.
Right leg, mashallah. And before eating something, what do you say?
Bismillah.
Okay. What is the dua for coming out from home?
Bismillah tawakkaltu ala Allahi wa la hawla wa la quwwata illa billah.
Okay, mashallah. You study in class 1 only. Okay. And what do you say when you get up from the ruku?
Samiallahu liman hamida.
Okay. When you go to the ruku, what the dua you say?
Subhana rabbiyal azim.
Oh, very good. When you go to the prostration, sizda, what dua you say?
Subhana rabbiyal a'la.
Subhana rabbil ala. So what is the dua for entering to the toilet?
Allahumma inni a'udzubika minal khubsi wal khaba'is.
MashaAllah. You know, and coming out from there?
Ghufranak.
Gufranak. Okay, very good. When you meet anyone, what do you say?
Assalamu alaikum.
MashaAllah. And if anyone say you Assalamu alaikum, what will you say?
Wa alaikum salam.
MashaAllah. Very good, very good. Fantastic. Alhamdulillah. Jazakallah khair. So can you recite one surah for us?
A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim. Maliki yawmiddin.
MashaAllah. MashaAllah. Very good. Thank you very much. Jazakallah khair. Okay. See you. Thank you.
See you inshallah.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.